Planning your next adventure? Imagine traveling smarter, lighter, and way more fun. In this video, we're uncovering 20 beginner-friendly travel gadgets on Amazon that anyone can use, from futuristic must-haves to clever tools that make every trip easier. Stick around till the end to discover gadgets that will upgrade your travel game and turn even simple trips into unforgettable experiences. Number 1. So Mine Airplane Pocket Organizer. The So Mine Airplane Pocket Organizer keeps travel essentials neatly accessible during flights. With multiple compartments, it holds passports, phones, chargers, earbuds, and more, all within easy reach. Lightweight, durable, and portable, it fits on tray tables or seat pockets without taking up space. Perfect for frequent flyers, business travelers, or families, it reduces clutter and ensures everything is organized. Travel smarter and stress-free. Click the product link below to grab your So Mine Airplane Pocket Organizer. Number 2. Tranamo Silicone Bottle Covers. The Tranamo silicone bottle covers protect toiletries and prevent leaks while traveling. Stretchable and durable, they fit most standard bottles, keeping liquids secure in luggage or toiletry bags. Lightweight and reusable, they're perfect for flights, camping, or hotel stays. BPA-free and easy to clean, they combine convenience and safety for every trip. Ideal for frequent travelers or minimalists, these covers prevent spills and maintain organization. Click the product link below to get your Tranamo silicone bottle covers. Number 3. Rumilla Luggage Straps Bungee. The Rumilla Luggage Straps Bungee secure suitcases and backpacks while traveling. Adjustable, durable, and brightly colored, they prevent accidental openings and make luggage easily identifiable. Lightweight and portable, they're perfect for flights, road trips, or train travel. The flexible design fits various bag sizes and adds extra security to protect belongings. Ideal for frequent travelers or family vacations, these straps combine practicality and peace of mind. Click the product link below to grab your Rumilla Luggage Straps Bungee. Number 4. Bag Smart Clear Toiletry Bag 2-pack. The Bag Smart Clear Toiletry Bag 2-pack keeps liquids organized and TSA compliant. Transparent, lightweight, and durable, they make security checks hassle-free while storing shampoo, lotions, and personal care items safely. Perfect for flights, road trips, or weekend getaways, the bags prevent spills and simplify packing. The portable design fits neatly in backpacks, carry-ons, or suitcases. Travel organized and stress-free. Click the product link below to get your Bag Smart Clear Toiletry Bag 2-pack. Number 5. High Bag Compression Bags 12-pack. High Bag Compression Bags 12-pack helps maximize luggage space for travelers. Durable, leak-proof, and reusable, these bags compress clothes, towels, or bedding to save up to 70% of packing space. Lightweight and portable, they fit perfectly into backpacks, suitcases, or carry-ons. Ideal for long trips, family vacations, or camping, they simplify packing while keeping items protected from dust and moisture. Travel smart and efficient. Click the product link below to grab your High Bag Compression Bags 12-pack. Number 6. Forge TSA Cable Luggage Locks. Forge TSA Cable Luggage Locks provide secure protection for luggage during travel. Flexible and durable, they fit suitcases, backpacks, or duffel bags, while TSA-approved access ensures hassle-free airport inspections. Lightweight and portable, they prevent theft and unauthorized access to belongings. Perfect for business trips, family vacations, or solo travel. These locks offer peace of mind without bulk. Keep luggage secure and stress-free. Click the product link below to get your Forge TSA Cable Luggage Locks. Number 7. G4 Free Hiking Backpack 10 to 15 liters. The G4 Free Hiking Backpack is lightweight, compact, and perfect for short hikes or day trips. With multiple compartments and adjustable straps, it comfortably holds water, snacks, and essentials. Durable and water-resistant, it's ideal for outdoor adventures, camping, or sightseeing. Its small size makes it travel-friendly for city explorations or weekend getaways. Perfect for hikers, travelers, or daily use, it combines convenience with comfort. Click the product link below to grab your G4 Free Hiking Backpack 10 to 15 liters. Number 8. Bagale Camping Travel Towel. The Bagale Camping Travel Towel is ultra-absorbent, quick-drying, and lightweight, perfect for travel, camping, or beach trips. Compact and easy to pack, it fits neatly into backpacks or carry-ons. Durable and soft, it provides comfort while drying quickly in any environment. Ideal for hikers, travelers, or outdoor enthusiasts, it combines practicality with convenience for all adventures. Stay dry and prepared anywhere. Click the product link below to grab your Bagale Camping Travel Towel. Number 9. Rocqua Quick Dry Water Shoes. The Rocqua Quick Dry Water Shoes provide comfort and protection during water activities or outdoor adventures. Lightweight, breathable, and fast-drying, they're perfect for beaches, rivers, or hikes. Flexible soles ensure traction and safety on wet surfaces, while the snug fit prevents slipping. Ideal for travelers, campers, or adventure seekers, these shoes combine convenience and durability for any trip. Click the product link below to get your Rocqua Quick Dry Water Shoes. Number 10. Lisa Pack Travel Bottles, 3 and 4 ounces. The Lisa Pack Travel Bottles 3 and 4 ounces are TSA compliant, leak-proof, and perfect for carrying toiletries on flights. Lightweight, durable, and portable, they fit neatly into carry-ons or toiletry bags. Refillable and easy to clean, they simplify packing for trips of any length. Ideal for frequent flyers, campers, or minimalists, they help prevent spills and maintain organization. Travel smart and worry-free. Click the product link below to grab your Lisa Pack Travel Bottles 3 and 4 ounces. Number 11. Tesson European Plug Adapter 2-pack. The Tesson European Plug Adapter 2-pack is an essential travel companion for anyone visiting Europe. Compact, lightweight, and durable, these adapters allow you to safely charge multiple devices, including phones, laptops, and cameras, without worrying about voltage compatibility. Each adapter is travel-ready, fits easily in backpacks or carry-ons, and meets TSA requirements for hassle-free airport security. Ideal for business trips, vacations, or study abroad programs, they simplify international travel and ensure your devices remain powered wherever you go. With their sturdy design and convenient dual pack, you'll always have a reliable solution for charging on the go. Click the product link below to grab your Tesson European Plug Adapter 2-pack. Number 12. Ichi Travel Makeup Bag. The Ichi Travel Makeup Bag is perfect for travelers who want to stay organized and stylish. Lightweight, portable, and crafted with durable materials, this bag features multiple compartments to securely hold brushes, lipsticks, skincare products, and other personal items. Its spill-proof design keeps your belongings safe from leaks, while the compact size easily fits in backpacks, luggage, or carry-ons. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway, long vacation, or business trip, this bag simplifies packing and ensures quick access to essentials. Perfect for beauty lovers and frequent travelers alike. Click the product link below to get your Ichi Travel Makeup Bag. Number 13. Nivea Magnetic Hat Clip. The Nivea Magnetic Hat Clip is a small but incredibly useful travel accessory. Designed to keep hats, caps, or small accessories secure, this magnetic clip attaches easily to backpacks, luggage, or clothing without causing damage. Lightweight, durable, and portable, it's ideal for outdoor adventures, beach trips, hiking, or city sightseeing. No more worrying about losing your favorite hat or misplacing accessories while on the go. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and perfect for travelers who value convenience and style. Click the product link below to grab your Nivea Magnetic Hat Clip. Number 14. Estuar Travel Toiletry Bag for Men. The Estuar Travel Toiletry Bag for Men is a stylish and functional solution for organizing personal care items while traveling. Made from water-resistant and durable materials, this bag features multiple compartments to store razors, shaving cream, lotions, and other grooming essentials. Neatly compact and portable, it fits comfortably in carry-ons, backpacks, or luggage without taking up much space. Perfect for business trips, weekend getaways, or long vacations. It ensures you stay organized and hygienic on the go. Travel confidently knowing all your essentials are safely in one place. You click the product link below to get your Estuar Travel Toiletry Bag for Men. Number 15. Downy Wrinkle Release Spray 3-pack. The Downy Wrinkle Release Spray 3-pack is a travel essential for keeping clothes fresh and presentable. Compact, lightweight, and portable, each bottle quickly eliminates wrinkles from shirts, dresses, or uniforms without needing an iron. Ideal for flights, business trips, or vacations, this spray saves time and ensures a polished appearance wherever you are. TSA friendly and easy to carry, it fits neatly in your luggage or carry-on bag. Perfect for travelers who want to maintain a crisp, professional look on the go. Click the product link below to grab your Downy Wrinkle Release Spray 3-pack. Number 16. Q-Tips Travel Pack 30. Count the Q-Tips Travel Pack. 30 Count is a compact, must-have personal care item for travelers. Lightweight, portable, and convenient, these cotton swabs fit perfectly into toiletries bags, backpacks, or carry-ons. Ideal for cleaning ears, touching up makeup, or handling small first aid needs, they provide practicality without taking up space. Durable and hygienic, they're perfect for flights, camping, hotel stays, or weekend trips. This travel pack ensures that minor hygiene tasks are always easy and accessible while on the go. Click the product link below to get your Q-Tips Travel Pack 30 Count. Number 17. Band-Aid Travel First Aid Kit. The Band-Aid Travel First Aid Kit is a small but essential companion for any traveler. Lightweight, compact, and portable, this kit includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, and other basic medical supplies to handle minor cuts, scrapes, or injuries. Durable and organized, it fits neatly in luggage, backpacks, or handbags, making it ideal for family vacations, solo adventures, or outdoor trips. With this kit, you can travel confidently knowing that minor emergencies are covered. Perfect for anyone who values safety and peace of mind while exploring. Click the product link below to grab your Band-Aid Travel First Aid Kit. Number 18. Y Anti-Frizz Travel Cream 3 ounces. The Y Anti-Frizz Travel Cream 3 ounces is a must-have for travelers who want smooth, manageable hair anywhere. Compact and lightweight, this travel-size cream fits easily into carry-ons, purses, or toiletry bags. It tames flyaways, reduces frizz, and adds shine without weighing hair down. Perfect for flights, humid destinations, or long trips. It keeps hair looking polished and healthy throughout the day. Ideal for frequent travelers, business professionals, or anyone wanting a salon-quality finish on the go. Click the product link below to get your Y Anti-Frizz Travel Cream 3 ounces. Number 19. Grace Stella Under Eye Brightener. The Grace Stella Under Eye Brightener is designed to refresh tired eyes while traveling. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it reduces dark circles, puffiness, and signs of fatigue, giving a well-rested, energized appearance. Perfect for flights, business trips, or long vacations, it fits neatly into your makeup or toiletry bag. Lightweight yet effective, it helps travelers look polished and refreshed even after long journeys. Ideal for frequent flyers, students, or anyone needing a quick boost, it's a practical travel beauty essential. Click the product link below to grab your Grace Stella Under Eye Brightener. Number 20. NapFun Travel Neck Pillow. The NapFun Travel Neck Pillow delivers comfort and support during long trips, whether by plane, train, or car. Made from high-quality memory foam, it contours to the neck to reduce stiffness, aches, and discomfort. Lightweight, portable, and easy to attach to luggage, it's perfect for frequent travelers seeking restful sleep on the go. The soft, breathable cover enhances comfort and ensures a premium feel. Ideal for business trips, vacations, or weekend getaways, this pillow turns travel into a relaxing experience. Click the product link below to grab your NapFun Travel Neck Pillow. Thanks for watching. These 20 beginner-friendly travel gadgets on Amazon can make every trip easier, smarter, and more enjoyable. Don't forget to try them out and level up your travel game. Adventures have never been this simple.